Hello everyone, welcome to top the most important function, and in this tutorial you can find and look up the usage and syntax of the most important function. And today I would like to show you the first function in this tutorial. This is VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP in Excel, in other words, the vertical lookup. And in order to know the uses and syntax of this function, you can press from the computer keyboard, and after that you can see the instruction here, and here the usage. Looks for a value in the leftmost columns of a table, and then returns a value in the same rows from a column you specify. By default, the tables must be stored in ascending orders. And if you want to know about the uses, you can press more the two parentheses, and you can see the VLOOKUP have four arguments. The first argument is lookup value. The second is the table arrays. The third is the column index numbers, and the last argument is the optional argument range lookup. And come back to the example here. In this example, you have to find or look up the amount of the fruits from the target tables, from the stroke tables. In other words, you have to copy the value from here to here, and in order to do that, you need to do step by step as below. The first, from the D13 cell, you press the VLOOKUP function, and now you have to define the X argument of this function. The lookup value, you select the B15. The table arrays, you select the range from the F15 to Z20, and press F4 in the computer keyboard to fix the table array of the stroke tables. And in order to know the column index numbers, you need to count from left to right, with the lookup column is number 1, and count left to right. And here you found that the column index number is the 2, and press to here. And the last argument range lookup, normally you choose the fonts for the exact match type. To more easy, you can press the zeros from the keyboard and press enter. And now you can select the formula for all the value and choose the field without formatting. And now you can check the results, and you can see all the result is exactly yes. And when you work with the VLOOKUP function, you have to notice 2 points here. The first point is the lookup value in the target tables and lookup value in the stroke table have to equal to. And the 2 point here is the table arrays in the stroke table have to fix by press the F4 or function F4. Yes. And now I'd like to finish this video here, and thanks for your watching, and see you later. Thank you.